So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to make dot plot in Power BI. So the dot plot visual is used to show distribution using dots among multiple categories or attributes. So for this tutorial, I will be working with this online retail dataset. It has multiple columns as you guys can see. Let's say we want to plot a dot plot which will show the subcategory wise sales. So from that dot plot, we can easily understand which subcategory is generating more sales. So let's see how we can do that. So first of all, dot plot is not a built-in visual, so we have to import it. In order to import it, go to visualization pane, click on these three dots, click on get more visuals. Now over here, search for dot plot. The second one, you can just click on add and it will get added into your visualization pane. Now over it is over here, so simply double click on this, so it will get added into your Power BI report. So over here I have the dot plot. Now in the field section, in the category I will put subcategory, and in the values I will put sales. So as you guys can see, just a second, I will change the format, label color to white, so that you can see the subcategory properly. So from this dot plot, one can easily tell that which subcategory is generating highest sales. So like copier, then bookcases, phones, they are generating highest sales, followed by storage, applicants, then chairs, then machines, and so on. So in this way, one can make dot plot in Power BI. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.